Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a speed coil. First, let's understand what a speed coil is and its purpose. It's essentially an item players can equip to significantly boost their movement speed within a game. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to create your own, from gathering the necessary components to writing the script and testing its functionality. Get ready to add an exciting new dynamic to your game. Now, let's gather the essential components. Begin by inserting a new part into your workspace. A simple block will work perfectly. Rename this part to Speed Coil so it's easy to find later. You can also adjust its size to something manageable, perhaps 2 by 2 by 2 studs, and set its color to something distinctive. This physical object will be what players interact with in your game. Next, we'll add the magic, the script. Insert a new script object directly into your speed coil part. This script will contain the logic for increasing player speed. The core idea is to detect when a player touches the coil, then temporarily modify their character's walk speed property. Remember to set the speed increase to a desired value, like 24, and ensure it reverts after a short duration. Finally, it's time to test and refine your speed coil. Start a playtest in your game and walk over to your newly created coil. Observe if your character's speed increases as expected. If the speed isn't quite right, go back into the script and adjust the walk speed value. You might try values like 24 or 30. Make sure the speed returns to normal after the effect duration. Save your work and enjoy your new speed coil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.